Project ya manywankenko ni ya nyineka sezi mwishe yashaba abashubuzi ngo bunubwo bwire bukuranira za business zabo.
We want to purchase a truck, a firefighting truck, which emotoka z'umuriro. Niyo zireko ni ya nyineka ngo polisi barabenda kizire hapa umuriro makansi. Polisi barabenda kizire hatishoro y'umutawo n'umwe. Polisi barabenda kizire nyowese y'umushumuzo kutawo n'umwe cyangwa kwa tumuru. Rero mwengura kadofewe ibintu ahasitowa yone. Ibi twatse Pinishwe ya certificate. This business community is very rich. Why do we have to wait for police? Police have to officer no banafe wili tuyanje. Susakati za all the party. Tukacheka ndani. Government, whom we need to consider so we are launching this project today and we call it
Umurukiko rw'abashuzi urwaba Adit More Robert Kanusu or Deputy RCC Mbarara yagambira Sky TV ngo government teine bukozese bukumara umukurana semerero.
What insurance we have for our businesses? I've seen very many businesses in Mbarara, huge investments of billions and billions of money, but that business is at risk of fire. Among the other risks, urban risks and disasters are many. But fire is unavoidable and can happen in time. But how much have you invested to ensure that that risk is prevented in case approaches?
Yayihanangiriza abashubuzi okozesa ebitongole bya insurance okwerinda ebishikirizi nkebi.
And they had no idea they were not in insurance. The majority of them, their credits come from government, not from the registered finance institutions. They made the report, it looks the report to but in the actual sense, that's how we are all doing our business. The majority of the business people here. No record keeping.
Bati yashaba company nka URA Bank of Uganda yambaho project age.
Banks through you, sir. And I know that for you can give out more than the commercial banks and they can listen. They also need to be protected. Imagine if the fire got at the Bank of Uganda building, as we are here, who had the expertise and the knowledge to go and pull down the fire there? Even you will be here just watching and say, my God, see, I wish the fire doesn't reach there. But there will be someone who will be stepping and taking forward on that track, reaching out where the epicenter of the fire is. So let us work together.
Ikindi jawa nyuma y'abashubuzi bembaho abasisikariru by'amaguzi byabo na nesente nyamwinji ahabo murro gashakwa Olivia Kamsime ahwa Sky TV again strong.